Finger licking. Smell good. Salmon fish pan the grill. You see me I say? Go do some jerk. Salmon fish. You see me I say? Alright? Finger licking. That's what the thing said. Bless! Up grill move. You see me I say? That's what the thing said. Just love it grill. Just love it grill. Just love it grill. Yeah. So me I do it, you know, in a weekend. You see me I say? So me I do it in a weekend. You see it? So me I do it in a weekend. Yeah, man. So the thing said. From grill. You see it? Always upon the grill. With some salmon fish. I jerk it. You see me? Nah, left out that boy. Love the seafood. Yeah! As I say, I start celebrating my birthday, you know? So I do it. Start celebrating the birthday. Alright? My birthday weekend is. You see me I say? So for my birthday now, I just chill out and just relax. But I enjoy the whole weekend. That's all the thing said. Bless Dandy Madans. Up Move Grills. Chef Corner. Dandy Madan. The Joma Chef. Bless. Panny Grill. As always. Are in the kitchen. Where we love. We cook. As always. Now the kitchen. Love the kitchen. Love the food. Finger licking. That's what the thing said. Yeah! Boom! The thing shot. You out. Enjoy my birthday weekend. That's what I say. Alright. Bless each and every one. Yeah! We're just feeling good, you know. Come my birthday weekend. Aye. Yeah, man. Dandy Madans, the Joma Chef. Panny Grill. Alright. Peace. Boom. The thing shot. Yes, you saw them look good? Alright. Got some jerk sauce that. You see me I say? I just make my jerk sauce from scratch. You see me I put it on, right? Finger licking. Some jerk sauce. This one I just make from scratch. Alright. This thing smells so good. Just like it smells good, I say it tastes good. Alright? Some salmon fish that. So may I say. Ooh. You don't know a birthday weekend. I'm going to enjoy it. So may I say. With my friends them. A lot of birthday thing going on. Friend them birthday. One person birthday today. One is 15, me 14. One is 16. So we are celebrate them hard. You see me I say? All who are there we still celebrate. Still celebrate for them. I'll do them not there. That's what the thing said. And you don't know, birthday weekend. Birthday are going on next week to the another weekend too. You see me I say? So that's what the thing said. Dandy Madans with Joma Chef. In the kitchen. Up Move Grills. Alright? So the thing said. Chef Corner. Bless. Boom, the thing shot. You see the fish them? You see them? Salmon fish. I jerk, you know. You see me I say? Alright. I saw the thing said. You see the color, look how they look good. And just like it look, I saw it tastes good. Alright. Now I left the kitchen. Cooking is a passion. And it never stop. I love to cook. I do what I love. And I love what I do. Cooking in the kitchen. Dandy Madans, the Joma Chef. Bless. Boom. Me out. The thing shot. Alright. Look how they look good. Already may I get ready to take them off, you know. May I get ready to take them off. Yeah. Whoa. Come here to some rice and peas, you know. Some rice and peas thing I go on, you know. Some steamed vegetable, you know. You know, when I have a steamed vegetable. Alright? Other people eat different things, so when I'm done, I forgot put some jerk chicken pan the oven. I feed them too. In the grill, I feed them too. Everybody eat different, but I'm just a seafood person. You know what I say? Alright? Everybody eat different. That's what the thing said. Bless. Dandy Madans, the drummer chef. Me out. Boom! Up move grill chef corner. That's what the thing said. Alright, you see what I'm going right so now? I get ready to take them off. You see? Alright. So one segment done, as you can see. So we do the thing, you know? We enjoy it. Birthday weekend. Yeah. Ooh. From the finger licking. Look. Go on right over. Finger licking Dandy Madans. Funny grill. So the thing said. Ooh. Look on that, man. Look on that. Look on that. Look on that. Whoa. Salmon fish. Look at the steamer come out there. Whoa. Nice. Nice. You see it? Nice. Bless Dandy Madans, the German chef. That's what the thing said. Dandy Madans pan the grill again. You see what I say? Up move grills. Dandy Madans. You see what I say? Alright. Up move grill chef corner. In the place again pan the grill. You see some salmon that. You see what I say? Salmon. I'm gonna do some salmon fish. You see what I say? Alright, straight seafood. Straight seafood! So the thing said, bless. There again, I raise the pan grill, that's what I tell you. I love what I do. And I do what I love. Cooking on the grill, as always. Doing stuff. Always in the kitchen. I'm just like want to chill out. You see what I say? With some salmon fish pan grill. Yeah, that's what the thing said. Bless. Dandy Madans, the German chef. In the kitchen, as always. Doing love, you know? Cooking is a passion for me. I love it. I will never stop. Always cooking. Just love the kitchen. Yes. It goes out in the back here, you know? As you can see. You see, right? Alright. Bless each and every one. My birthday is very soon. That's what I say. So I'm just going to enjoy it and go and chill out and start my birthday enjoyment from now, you know? Yes! That's what the thing said. Bless! Me out. Alright, each and every one. Grill up some jerk. Salmon fish. That's what I say. Alright, as you can see it up on the grill. Alright, bless! Yes, everything I'm mixing now. The steamed vegetable, that cabbage, bell pepper, garlic, as you can see. Yes, that's the steamed fish, banana, Irish, and steamed vegetables. You see it right there. Alright?
Blessings.
I eat that. Bless. We out. That's what the thing said. That's it. And the bait was that. And ginger. That's what the thing said. Dundee Madams, I make up the fresh juice, natural juice. Upmost grill, chef can in the kitchen as well. You see me I say? That's how we do the thing, you know. Natural up the thing. Bless. That's what the thing said. See the saltfish there. The festival. As you can see, couple already done already. Sunday morning breakfast. Some saltfish and seasoned plantain, a little bit of boiled dumpling. Just simple. Simple breakfast. Yes, that's what I think so. Dundee Madams, the German chef. Upmost Grills, Chef Kana. In the kitchen as always. Yes, bless. Sunday morning blessings. Here making some simple Sunday morning breakfast. So I make a little caramel dumpling. You can see the flour, the cornmeal, tomato, onion, garlic, pepper. This is for the festival. So this is the festival right here. Some fried plantain. This is the saltfish here. So there's some saltfish with some festival. And some plantain with a little bit of boiled dumpling. Alright? Sunday morning breakfast, Sunday morning blessings to each and every one. Bless. Dundee Madams, the German chef. In the kitchen as always, Sunday morning. Alright? That's what the thing said. Chef Kana. Upmost Grills. Dundee Madams, the German chef. Bless. Yes, as you can see, the festival is finished and the planting is finished. So now I'm getting ready to do the saltfish. Yes, so this is the garlic on the top right here. Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, and tomato. Yes, ready for fry up the saltfish. Alright. This is the season right here. So now I have to fry up this first. Yes, Dundee Madams, the German chef. Chef Kana, Upmost Grills. In the kitchen. So the whole of the season that. After that simmer down, then you put in the saltfish. and a little black pepper. Alright? So we're going down to the finished product, the finished touch. Alright? So you can see the festival, the planting, saltfish preparation, seasoning, and with this one little boiled dumpling, you see? Alright. Some boiled dumpling and saltfish. And some saltfish and festival and planting. Yes. That's what the thing said. Bless. Sunday morning blessings. Yes, coming down to the final touch with my saltfish, as you can see. Alright. So this is, and then I put a little black pepper. You don't need no salt, because the sauce is salt already. You boil it, boil out the salt. Okay, so you see what's going on here? Alright. And then you mix it in. So that's my saltfish there. Sunday morning breakfast. Yes. You see that each and every one. Alright. You see that? All these saltfish that, so you can see everything is ready. Alright? Have a blessed one. Down the madam, the tomato. Up move grill, chef corner. Alright? So the thing said, bless. Okay, everything is finished here. Alright? So that's the boiled dumpling finish. Plantain finish. That's the saltfish right there. Okay, festival. So that's everything right there. So this is what I am eating for my Sunday morning breakfast. Dumpling, pardon, and saltfish, and some coffee. Alright? So I saw the thing set. Bless Dundee Mothers. The German chef. Chef Corner, Hope Move Grace. Alright? Dundee Mothers. So that's everything right there, as you can see. That's the finishing product, each and every one. Finishing product. And I also blessing Sunday morning. Alright? Still into another resort. Different resort this. We from one resort to another resort. Still enjoying Thanksgiving weekend. Yes. Alright. Still a celebrate until the week is end. So after Sunday, back to normal again. Alright? Enjoy the weekend. Chilling out. Having fun with my family. Alright? Come from out of town. So that's how we do it. Always in the kitchen. Love the kitchen. Love what we do. Alright? This is what we love. Cooking is a passion for me. So I will always love in the kitchen. Just eat in another resort. That's how we do it. Life. We have one life, so we have to enjoy it to the fullest. Alright? As I said, my Sunday morning breakfast. Alright. So we just do other things, you know, festival and all of them things. Because we things we love to do for the family. The family eat up on some of the festival too. Just what I said. And some cornmeal dumpling. And some fried plantain. You know, we do everything from scratch. That's how we do it. Alright, saltfish. Yes, bless. Dundee Madam's German chef. In the kitchen. Love the kitchen. All right. Me out. I gotta eat some breakfast now. Bless each and every one. And you have a wonderful, blessed Sunday. With love. Peace. We out. Boom! The thing shot. That's what the thing said. Bless. Alright, you see the planting? Planting that's a bubble. Alright. Boiled dumpling going in the pot already, as you can see. And the festival still upon the fire. Almost done. Simple breakfast this morning. Simple. Up move grills. Dundee Madam to Jama Chef, Chef Corner. In the kitchen. Saltfish done boiled. I got season up here now. So I eat that. Yes. We do what we love, and we love what we do. In the kitchen, cooking. That's our passion. Yes. Bless. Dundee Madams, the Jama Chef. That's what the thing said. As you can see, this is the festival saltfish I'm planting. Alright? This is it right there. Bless. That's what the thing said. Dundee Madams, the Jama Chef.